It is a fascinating journey, this path of knowledge, and the vehicle we ride is a science called
physics. Everything follows the laws of physics, even skateboarders, and they don't like to follow laws at all. Velocity is distance over time, so if I travel 3 meters in 1 second, my velocity will be 3 meters per second.
Newton's first law is often described as the law of inertia. It is stated as an object in rest stays in rest, and an object in motion stays in motion at the same speed and in the same direction unless acted upon by an unbalanced force.
As you can see in this video, the skateboard at rest stays at rest, while the skateboard in motion stays in motion.
The centripetal force requirement states that an object moving in a circle must have an inward force acting upon it in order to cause its inward acceleration. The acceleration of an object in circular motion is directed to the center of the circle. Centrifugal force is a fictitious force, as in it is not a real force. It occurs because of Newton's first law of inertia.
As I turn to the right, I lean into the turn in order to apply an inward force. This also counteracts my inertia, which is pushing me to the outside of the turn. Inertia causes the ball to not want to follow the turn, but instead stay in the motion it is originally in, forward. The ball has no way to counteract its inertia, so it rolls off to the left in an effort to follow its original trajectory.
When you sit on a chair, your body exerts a downward force on the chair, while the chair exerts an equal and upward force on your body. These two forces are called action and reaction forces. They're subject of Newton's third law, which is every action has an opposite and equal reaction.
You may wonder how skaters keep the board under their feet without bindings when doing an ollie. While the tail of the board hits the ground applies an equal force on the tail, causing the board to pop up. The tail hits the ground hits the tail. What is the velocity I need to be traveling to clear this stair set without ollieing? Let's find out, shall we? First we measure the height of the stair set, the height being 3.2 feet and the length being 3.4 feet. We then converted the feet to meters by using dimensional analysis and found the height to be 0.955 meters and the length to be 0.04 meters. Then we used height equals 1/2 acceleration times time squared and found time in the air to be 0.441 seconds. Therefore, needing to clear 1.04 meters in 0.441 seconds. So I will need to be traveling at least 2.36 meters per second.
It's science.